Hey everybody, Sean Keating here. I want to welcome you to the Dental Up podcast show by Keating Dental Arts. Thank you for tuning in this week, and we're real excited. We have Dr. Tuan Pham, and he is from Austin, Texas. Dr. Pham, what's up, baby?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Oh, man. I'm living the dream, dude. It's just awesome. Awesome to have you. I've always watched you from afar on Dental Town, and I know we do a few cases here and there with you with Sarah Connect and stuff, but dude, I've always loved your enthusiasm, your just positive attitude, and it really sticks out of all the people that I see in the industry and then on Dental Town and stuff. But you've always stuck out with me. So, dude, you're in Austin, Texas, man. What?
Yes, sir.
So, where is University? Is Texas Longhorns? Are they in Austin or no?
Oh, of course. Yes,
Yeah,
University of Texas. I went to school there. I had a great time. I think what I learned in college, I learned to drink beer quite well. So that's what I learned.
That's so awesome, man. You have a thing coming on
Yes,
you have a seminar, or it's a Dental Maverick course, and we'll get into this, but that's August 4th and 5th. So I'm going to be probably coming out. I'll come and say hi to you a little bit, but I'm excited. So,
well, I look forward to hanging out with you.
yeah, man, I'm telling you. So tell me, what is Dental Maverick? Did you come up with that name? It's kind of like Top Gun. You're Maverick, huh? And you're in the dental world.
Sir. Oh, yes, sir. As with any business, you got to have a good name, or at least a catchy name. So I started with that, but the name didn't come first. I'm a Dental Town guy. I love reading Dental Town. I think it's a great resource. It allows people to talk to each other. There's good and bads about it, but overall, I think it's a great thing to have and be a participant of. And so, through the years, I've read many things, and one of the main themes that I see is there's a lot of doctors that what it boils down to is they don't feel like they have the control. You'll see a lot of threads, like, I don't like it that my assistant doesn't do this, or how do I get my office to do this? I don't know if you saw that thread. Someone had their assistant or someone go on vacation, and now she's not coming back because she said she claims she lost her passport or something like that. Well, it all boils down to the fact that these doctors don't have good leadership or good control. Good leadership, good management all boils down to the fundamentals of having good control. And so we dentists are very technical. I mean, you're a lab guy. You probably see, some work that's great, some work that's not, but I think in general, most dentists like control. We like to be able to make sure that we have things our way that we want it. I think that's how good dentists are formed. In dental school, we get it hammered into our heads that we should be very technical, follow systems and procedures and steps over and over and over. Well, I think in reading Dental Town, I find that no one really teaches that, or there's not many courses that teach that to dentists, to take control of their business, themselves, their employees, their staff. Because if you can do that, it allows you to be much more successful. It frees you up to however you want to practice. But in my practice, I like having time to be very methodical about the dental work that I do. And so, I knew how to do this, and I knew that it worked because I taught my friends and other dentists locally here. But I was like, it's time to expand. And so I spent 2 years creating this, wrote it, recorded it. There's like 16 hours or more for like the dentist, and there's a staff training portion and everything now. But just as prepping the crown, I can teach someone to understand how to approach a conversation with a difficult patient, or more importantly, a difficult staff member, to do it factually and get the results that you want and gain the control. And so that's why I did it. I mean, it's fun. Like I've always wanted to be a teacher of some sorts.
You have different videos and different things. Tell me a little bit about with your Dental Maverick program. Is this your first one you guys are doing on the August 4th and 5th in Austin? Is this going to be your first?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is awesome, dude.
So the Dental Maverick program by itself is something that is online based. There's a doctor training series and a staff. And I have like all these users, and they're like, hey, why don't you create a conference so we could all meet and learn a bunch of stuff together, in person. So I was like, all right, I'm going to get married first. But then after that, I got time to create this thing. And so, yeah, this is our first year. It's going to be August 4th and 5th in the glorious Austin, Texas. It's going to be hot, but it's going to be fun. We got 12 amazing speakers lined up. I make them all condense their information. I've reviewed their information. I've read them all, and they're all condensed to a great presentation. And we're going to talk about everything from in regards to business, from mindset, how to achieve that mindset and recognize that you're the only person that can affect a change in yourself and your business. We have practical advice in terms of internet marketing, search engine optimization, SEO. We have practical advice on how to control unreliable patients, practical advice on how to, I'm going to present on how to manage your staff and what to say exactly. I mean, it's a whole gamut of things. It's going to be awesome.
Oh, it is.
I can't wait.
How can the doctors find out where to go for your seminar here?
It's called Dental Maverick Summit, okay? And it's very easy. Go to www.dentalmavericksummit.com.